Hello friends and welcome to virtual math class, and today we will practice reading, writing, and representing the number 9. The cub. You will know how to count a set of objects. You will understand how to count a set of objects and demonstrate the last number of objects in the set regardless of their arrangement. You will be able to discuss and demonstrate reading, writing, and representing the number 9. Vocabulary. Sets mean items in a group. Arrangement means how you place or display an item in their sets. So it can be in a group or it can be in a line. Some other vocabulary words are numbers. So we have 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9. So just like yesterday when we had a word for the number 8, we also have a word for 9, okay? So this is the word 9 in word form. Can you say 9? Let's spell the number 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Good. And as we write it all the time in math, this is 9 in number form, okay? So this is the word 9. And this is the number 9. And then we have a picture that represents 9 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so let's look at our cookies. It says, Lauren had 8 cookies. Her mom gave her 1 more cookie. How many cookies does Lauren have now? Okay. So let's go ahead and add 1 more cookie. Okay. Now, when we added 1 more cookie, how many cookies did we have? First, Lauren had 8 cookies. Then her mom gave her 1 more. So how many cookies does she have now? She has 9 because first we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then her mom gave her 1 more, which is 9, okay? So Lauren has 9 cookies, okay? Because first she had 8, okay? And then her mom gave her 1 more, and that made 9, okay? Can I tell you something that I noticed about 9? Just like the number 8, okay? Now, I know that 9 is 1 more than 8, and how I know that is because first we had 8 cookies, and then when her mom gave her 1 more, okay, it made 9. So 9 is 1 more than 8. This is 9 cookies, a set of 9 cookies. Now, remember yesterday when we talked about rearranging the items? Okay. Now, we know we have 9 cookies. Okay, so if we rearrange or change the way the cookies are placed, will that change the number? Keep your thought in your head. All right, so let's look. So we already know that we have 9 cookies, correct? Yes. Now we changed the arrangement, okay? We changed how we placed them, okay? Now, since we changed them, do you think the number of cookies have changed? Some might say yes, some might say no. Let's see. So we know we have 9 cookies here. So let's count how many cookies we have here. So we know, like we said, this is 9, right? And then we're thinking, is this going to change since it's arranged differently? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So did the arrangement change? No, it didn't. It did not change it. Okay, both sets represent 9. Okay, now how do we know both sets represented 9? What do we have to do? We had to count. Good job. We had to count. And the last number we said, which was 9, told us how many. Good. Another way to represent 9 is on a 10 frame. So let's do it. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this is 9 counters. All right. So now we have 9 counters, but we have 2 different colors, or 2 different groups. Okay. So something that I notice is I see the number 5 and then I see a yellow counter. Okay. So that makes me think that there are 5 yellow counters. But I notice that there's a number missing. So it's our job to figure out, well, what number do we think is missing? Okay. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many red counters are there? There are 4. Good. Okay. Now let's count how many counters we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we know that 5 and 4 make 9. Now Ms. Blanks is not going to write it in because you're going to have to figure out that number when you get ready to do your assignment. Okay, but I just wanted to show you that even though all of the counters aren't the same color, okay, you can use 2 groups to make one number. Okay. All right, so let's review. So this is the number 9 in number form, how we use it in math. This is the number 9 in word form. Let's spell the number 9. Ready? Not one. N-I-N-E, 9. And then this is a picture representation of 9. Okay. Now remember, this is a set of 9 cookies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then we have 9 cookies on a 10 frame. Okay. And then over here, we're going to represent 9 with 2 groups. Ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So those are red. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So how many red counters do we have? 5. And how many yellow counters do we have? 4. And when we count them all together, we get what? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we can say 5 and 4 makes what number? 9. Okay. Now you're going to go and complete your assignment. You'll see that next. See you soon.